Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord fix stuck gray screen or connecting loop. Open stuck Discord. Press Ctrl, Shift, I keys. Click Network tab. Check Disable Cache. Press Ctrl, R, for restart. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Discord. Click End Task. Close and exit Task Manager. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. ipconfig, space, /flush DNS. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Open Discord. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.